Strap in, adventure seekers. It's time for our countdown of the top picks in all-terrain tires. From muddy trails to rocky backroads, these tires are built to handle it all and elevate your ride. Today, I'm going to be going over the best all-terrain tire that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Venom Power Terra Hunter X/TXD. Terra Hunter X/TXD is designed to cover a broad range of terrains with a balanced emphasis on grip, durability, and value. The tread pattern uses wide shoulder blocks that bite into loose surfaces while maintaining a stable footprint on pavement, which reduces wandering at highway speeds and enhances steering response in gravel lanes. Central rib works with continuous siping to balance traction and noise, helping to keep cabin levels comfortable without sacrificing straight-line stability when the road is wet or damp. Reinforced casing is paired with a robust bead-to-bead construction, giving the tire extra resistance to impact from rocks and curbs and improving resistance to sidewall punctures during trail runs. Terra Hunter X/TXD also features an aggressive yet predictable tread that clears mud and snow efficiently, aided by deep lateral voids that prevent clogging and preserve grip as the surface changes from mud to dust to wet asphalt. In terms of wear, the compound is engineered for even contact with the road surface, which translates into uniform tread wear and longer life for a tire in mixed terrain duty. Sidewalls are designed with additional reinforcement to reduce damage from rock edges and to preserve ride quality when the vehicle is carrying a heavy load on unpaved shores or rural backroads. For drivers who want a tire that can handle light snow, moderate off-road sections, and daily commuting, this model offers a compelling value proposition that blends tough capability with approachable pricing. Paired to the Lexani Terrain Beast AT, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the Venom Power Terra Hunter X/TXD emphasizes a slightly more forgiving ride on rough pavement while prioritizing real off-road bite, especially in loose surfaces where the tread blocks can flex and bite rather than just slide. The tire's profile allows it to grip on uneven trails without feeling wallowy, helping the vehicle maintain steering precision when you lift off on a rock-extruded path. For owners who want to rotate tires with some cadence to maximize tread life, the Terra Hunter X/TXD's consistent footprint ensures a stable contact patch under load, which can contribute to predictable braking and confident cornering in mixed weather. The line between on-road comfort and off-road tenacity is rarely perfect, but this model makes a concentrated effort to hit the sweet spot, delivering a confident all-terrain experience that won't require constant adjustments to tire pressure or rotation schedules. With a price point that is accessible to a broad range of budgets, the Terra Hunter X/TXD stands out in a crowded field by offering a tangible upgrade in grip without a heavy hit to fuel economy or road noise. In everyday driving, the tire behaves in a composed fashion, smoothing rough pavement and resisting irregular wear, thanks to its balanced tread geometry and solid all-terrain compounds. This combination makes it a practical pick for people who want to stretch their vehicle's capability without stepping into premium brand pricing. The Terra Hunter X/TXD isn't the flashiest tire in the category, but its reliability and predictable performance across mud, sand, and wet roads are notable strengths that deliver real-world value. At number 4, we have the Lexani Terrain Beast AT. Lexani Terrain Beast AT blends aggressive all-terrain tread with a design that prioritizes on-road manners and even wear. Its tread pattern features multi-angle tread blocks that bite into mud and snow from a variety of directions, while a continuous center rib helps with highway stability and precise steering feedback. The tire uses a reinforced carcass and stout sidewalls that resist gouges on rocky trails and provide confident curb protect in urban use. The voids between blocks are optimized to shed debris quickly, which helps keep grip when the surface is thrown at you by sudden weather changes. Lexani Terrain Beast AT also includes siping across the shoulder blocks to enhance grip on wet pavement and to aid braking in light rain. The internal construction is designed to distribute shock evenly and reduce heat buildup during long highway drives, contributing to longer tread life. This tire is well suited to those who want a tire that can handle mud, gravel, and sand with assurance, yet still remain quiet enough for daily commuting. In terms of comfort, the Lexani Terrain Beast AT tends to offer a smoother ride than some more aggressively oriented competitors, thanks to a slightly taller sidewall profile and a casing that tends to flex rather than transmit every bump to the cabin. Paired to the Venom Power Terra Hunter X/TXD, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the Lexani Terrain Beast AT emphasizes road manners a bit more and delivers steadier on pavement feel at highway speeds, with a tread pattern that tends to leave less drag on dry asphalt. The result is a tire that feels confident when you point it toward a Forest Service road, but remains predictable on city streets. The Lexani Terrain Beast 80 also tends to wear more evenly for many drivers, thanks to its symmetrical design and balanced siping arrangement. For those who value a deep, confident look on the highway and a proven grip in snow, this model offers a compelling option that keeps pace with the more aggressive competitors without becoming excessively noisy or rigid. The reputation for reliability in the all-terrain category, the Lexani Terrain Beast 80 is a steady choice that can be trusted to perform when the dirt road turns into a muddy trail. At number 3, we have the SZKAIDAG 13,598,771. The SZKAIDAG 13,598,771 TPMS sensor stands out as a practical upgrade for vehicles that require reliable transmission of tire pressure data without the hassle of dealership reprogramming. The sensor is pre-programmed to align with widely used vehicle profiles, which means a faster, cleaner installation with fewer prompts for calibration or initialization after you change wheels. Robust housing protects the electronics from road spray, heat, and dirt, while the valve stems are designed for easy seating and secure valve sealing to prevent air loss. Installation is straightforward for do-it-yourselfers with basic tools, and the sensor often comes with universal O-rings and mounting hardware that fit a broad range of makes and models. In practice, the SZKAIDAG 13,598,771 can integrate with most factory TPMS dashboards after a simple relearn sequence, and it is compatible with both direct replacement and aftermarket wheel assemblies. Battery life is designed to outlast several seasons under normal use, reducing the frequency of replacements and the cost of ownership. The build quality emphasizes resistance to corrosion and water intrusion, enabling stable readings in wet climates where some low-cost sensors fail. The benefit of having a dependable TPM sensor is not only the convenience of avoiding flats, but also the potential fuel efficiency and tire wear benefits that come from correct tire pressure management. Paired to the Lexani Terrain Beast 80, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the SZKAIDAG 13,598,771 focuses on sensor reliability and installation ease rather than tread performance, and that makes it an essential complementary choice for owners who care about overall vehicle dynamics and system integration. A driver upgrading an aging wheel setup, this sensor can restore precise tire pressure monitoring, reduce nuisance alerts, and contribute to more consistent braking performance in wet or slippery conditions. At number 2, we have the Tusk EMEX T-35. EMEX T-35 is built to tackle intermediate and mixed terrain surfaces with a tread design that emphasizes bite in dirt while staying composure-friendly on pavement, which makes it a versatile option for drivers who roam from mud lanes to highway ramps. Its tread blocks are arranged to optimize traction on loose surfaces like sand and gravel, yet they maintain a steady contact patch that reduces noise and vibration at typical highway speeds. Rugged sidewall profile offers enhanced protection against cuts and punctures when you stray off the asphalt onto rocky trails, and the tire profile contributes to confident steering feedback that helps the driver place the vehicle precisely on uneven ground. The EMEX T-35 also features a balanced wear pattern with an emphasis on even distribution of pressure across the footprint, which translates to consistent tread wear and an extended service life for a tire in all-terrain use. For those who participate in weekend off-road runs or who enjoy exploring rough backroads, the tire provides predictable braking on wet surfaces and reliable grip in dusty conditions, which is essential when you are navigating unfamiliar terrain. Paired to the SZKAIDAG 13,598,771, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the EMEX T-35 prioritizes tread performance across rugged surfaces rather than sensor reliability, offering a driving experience that leans into traction and cornering confidence over sensor integration. The result is a tire that remains affordable while delivering meaningful capability in a wide range of weather and road conditions, making it a practical upgrade for mid-range trucks and SUVs that see mixed duty. At number 1, we have the A-Premium TPMS Sensor. The A-Premium TPMS Sensor represents a modern, ready-to-install option that prioritizes factory-like fit, quick relearn capability, and broad vehicle coverage, which is essential for owners who rotate wheels or switch tires often. Design emphasizes a compact, rugged housing that withstands road grime and temperature swings, ensuring stable readings across hot summer days and chilly winter mornings. Sensor is pre-programmed to align with common vehicle profiles, allowing a fast, clean replacement with minimal downtime. It features a reliable beacon signal that communicates tire pressure data accurately to the vehicle's monitoring system, reducing nuisance warnings and helping drivers maintain optimal inflation. A-Premium sensor comes with robust sealing gaskets and a simple mounting process, making DIY replacements accessible even for first-time installers. The battery life is tuned for long service intervals, which lowers ownership costs and reduces the frequency of sensor changes when upgrading wheel sets. In practice, the benefit is a more consistent tire pressure picture across the vehicle, which helps with fuel efficiency, tire wear, and braking performance in wet or slippery conditions, compared to the Tusk EMEX T-35, which I have included as number 2 on this list. The A-Premium TPMS sensor emphasizes sensor reliability and ease of installation over raw tread performance, providing the essential system support that keeps your all-terrain rig safe and predictable on every trip. For owners who rely on accurate tire data as a backbone of vehicle dynamics, this sensor delivers dependable readings and a straightforward relearn process that reduces downtime when wheels change.